Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change video background in Higgsfield. Start by opening Higgsfield AI on your computer. Wait for the main dashboard to load completely so you can see all the options clearly. From the top menu, look for the section labeled Video and click on it. Once you are in the video section, move to the top menu bar again and select the option called Edit Video. Now focus on the model selection area. Click on the model name that is currently selected. A list of available models will appear. From this list, choose Grok Imagine. If you have a paid plan, you can select King 01 because it is more powerful and gives better results. If you are using the free version, Grok Imagine will work fine for this task. Next, upload the video whose background you want to change. Find the Upload button, click on it, and select your video file from your device. Wait for the upload to complete before moving to the next step. After your video is uploaded, locate the prompt section. This is where you describe the new background you want. Type a clear and simple description of the background. You can also upload an image of the background you want to use if you prefer a more specific result. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Generate button. The system will process your video and replace the background based on your description or the image you provided. Wait for the result to appear, then review the final video. Thanks for watching.